Let's simplify this expression. Right now it looks a little bit messy. What I'm actually going to do to help myself is to write all the denominators kind of in alphabetical order. So I'm going to have to factorize a -1 out of both these brackets, and 2 negatives will make a positive anyway. So our first fraction is rewritten as q plus r over p minus q times p minus r. In our second fraction, the p minus q is already in the order I want. Oh, I need to factorize a -1 out of the first bracket. So that will make the entire fraction negative. So our second fraction is r plus p on q minus r times p minus q. And in our last fraction, we're not going to do anything because it's in the order that I wanted. Now the reason I'm doing that is because now it's just a bit more logical. So to simplify this, we're going to have to make one big fraction, and I can see now that the common denominator will be p minus q, p minus r, q minus r, because each denominator right now already has 2 of these, just needs a third one. So in order to achieve that, the numerator of the first fraction, we've already got these two, so we're going to have to multiply this one by q minus r, and we're just going to do this for all the other ones. So r plus p will need to be multiplied by p minus r, and r plus p is the same as p plus r, so just going to do that right now. And then p plus q will have to be multiplied by p minus q. And oh, look at that, our numerators are all a bunch of difference of 2 squares. So we've got q squared take r squared, and then take p squared minus r squared. And let's just expand this right now to get rid of the brackets. So this will become p squared plus r squared, and then we're going to have plus p squared minus q squared, which is looking much simpler already. P minus q, p minus r, excuse my handwriting, and then q minus r. And then if we look at our numerator, q squared is gone, r squared is gone, p squared is gone. Oh, look at that. We're left with 0. And that is this expression simplified. That was quick. Much quicker than I thought. Alright, that will be the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you learned something, and we will see you next time.